First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right. We have a length of 18 inches. Depth of 24 inches. And the height on legs, we have 26 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be a plate that can be removed. And by removing this cap will be a USB port to upload and download pictures and recipes. Plate is magnetic and will attach easily right in the bottom. Coming to the top will be the power button along with the control panel and touchscreen and features to operate the speed oven. Coming right inside is the main chamber. And measurements for the chamber, we have 12 inches in length, 13 inches in depth, by 7.5 inches in height. Included will be a user manual, a shovel to remove any food cavity within the chamber, air filter, along with a griddle that can be placed inside for cooking. Coming to the back of the oven will be the air vent, the ETL certification, along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.